In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoho Calendar with Google Calendar. If you're someone who frequently juggles personal and professional schedules, you'll find this integration extremely useful. Not only does syncing these platforms streamline your scheduling, but it also ensures that you never miss an appointment or double book an event again. Let's walk through the steps to get your calendars in perfect harmony. First, start by navigating to the Zoho Calendar. Once you're there, head over to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. This icon typically resembles a gear and will lead you to a menu where you can adjust various settings related to your calendar. Next, within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Synchronize. Clicking on this will initiate a series of steps that will allow you to link your Zoho and Google calendars. It's important to follow these steps carefully to ensure that the synchronization is successful. Once you've clicked on Synchronize and you will see an option for Google Calendar. Click on it. This step will guide you to the authentication process where you need to give permission for the integration. Now it's time to authenticate Google. Clicking on Authenticate Google will prompt you to select the Google account you'd like to use. It's vital to choose the account that corresponds to the Google Calendar you want to sync with Zoho. Select your desired Google account from the list that appears. If you're not already signed in, you might need to enter your credentials for your Google account at this point. After selecting your Google account, a screen will appear requesting you to give the necessary permissions. You will need to click Continue to authorize the link between the two calendars. This step is crucial, as it grants Zoho Calendar access to import and manage your events within Google Calendar. Finally, once more, you'll be asked to confirm by clicking Continue. This final confirmation ensures that all necessary permissions have been granted and your calendars are effectively linked. And just like that, you're done. Your Zoho Calendar is now successfully synced with your Google Calendar, allowing for a seamless and integrated scheduling experience. By following these steps, you'll never have to worry about duplicate events or missed appointments between the two platforms again. Remember, maintaining synced calendars can significantly boost your productivity and organizational skills. So, whenever you're planning a day or organizing an event, know that your information will be consistent across both Zoho and Google calendars. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!